Tired of projects feeling like a tangled mess? Let's tame that chaos and learn how to easily grab the projects you need from Basecamp. First, log into your Basecamp account. You'll land on the home screen, your central hub for everything. See the Projects tab on the left. Click it. This will take you to a complete list of all the projects you have access to within Basecamp. Now, scan through the list and find the specific project you are looking for. Project names are displayed clearly, often with a brief description underneath. Once you've found your project, hover your mouse over its tile. You should see 3 dots and ellipsis appear in the upper right-hand corner. Click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides you with several options related to that specific project. Select the first option, View Project. This will open the project and take you to its dedicated page where all the information is. Congratulations, you're now inside your project. Here you can access all its components, to-do lists, messages, files, schedules and more. Now you are ready to get to work.